What's up? I'm here at the Manding Powerlines. This four-wheel drive track is well known for all four-wheel drive enthusiasts throughout Perth. It has some steep hills. In winter it gets really muddy, and in summer like now it is dry as and dusty as. Just doing a little solo trek today. Do a little exploring, go along, find some hill climbs, and just have some fun back on the Suron. I haven't been on this bike for a while. I've been riding that Youth and the go-kart, so yeah, we'll take this out and have some fun. Like I was saying, just a nice chill ride today. Stay out of trouble, don't get hurt, and we'll see what hill climbs we'll find. This part of the track is pretty mellow. Lots of mountain bike tails through the sides. They don't get too happy with me riding those, so I would tend to stay away from those. Oh, here we go. It is slippery. This bike has running level 2. I think that's what, 15 kilowatt. How you going? Nice little wood textures. Don't get lost. Let's see what we can find. What is this thing? Oh my goodness. How awesome is that? Hey, how can I get down there without falling off? That is awesome. Don't know if we can swim in there or not. Probably not. If I get down there, will I get back up? Just don't want to end up in there swimming. Look at this. This is sick. That's what I love about exploring. Stuff like this you find. Let's get over here. What a nice little spot. Let's get back to the power lines. Oh, kangaroos. Watch out for them. Watch out for mountain bike riders. Watch out for little kids riding out here. Watch out for random dams. Looks like we've got a little rock garden here. Chicken market. Yeah. Like the chicken track for sure. Oh, no chicken track here. I got too much air in my tires for this.
That's alright. Let's keep going. Like I say, I've been out here before, so not in this section of the Powerlines anyway. So this is all new to me. Discover this together. Should have plenty of battery to get us all the way out and back. We won't reach the end because I think we go for hundreds of kilometres. Oh, here's a turbine rider, little trail rider. Indicating, so I don't know what's going on there. Quite a scary. Give me a little suit, let me know I'm coming by. I have to look at the sweater trading. How you going, mate? Old fella. See how having some fun on his bike. I think he was a bit shocked to see me come up behind him. Got a little hill. I think we're coming up. That right, guys. I was saying there's trails everywhere. A lot of pedaling though. Not really my cup of tea. That is a fire road. Two shuttle runs up here for the guys like me who don't want to pedal back up the hill again. He's one bloke helping his mates out. I know there's a few good jumps in here too. Here's one of the big jumps. I've tried this twice. Cased it the first time. Cased even worse on the second time, and never tried again. The landing's so small. I was hoping we might get a sender here, but no senders here today. Where'd old mate go? Oh, there he is. He's still trotting along. Good on him. Can't wake up. Just gonna get a nod. Oh, little nod. Little nod, I think. He's not too happy to see me along here.
Yeah, mate.
No worries, buddy. Oh, there you go. They're all right. Any more? Was on the line there, jumps. Didn't cut them off. Deep for light, courteous. I like these jumps, so I don't want to ruin it. I do come here on the mountain bike, so. Watch out for bars as well, mountain bikers, kangaroos, everything out here.
This is a DJI Neo. I've only got it for Christmas, but it is pretty good drone for what it is. $300 for this. And I bought the 5 combo, so I get 3 batteries and a controller. The controller allows you to do more things than without it. You are limited with just the drone. You can fly it with your phone, but you get even more features using the controller. But it's sick.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
All right. Good luck.
Still coming. We don't get stuck in the pole. Yeah, got around there. On our way back, got a couple of drone shots. Hopefully they come out alright. See what this place like in reverse. Now this is the mellow side of the Powerlines track as well. It definitely gets a lot gnarlier further up. But yeah, it's still good fun on the bike. Little hill climb here. I think it's too bad, this one. Easy. Nice and easy, mate. Slow down. Please. What are you gonna do? Jump in front of me? You waited until I got to him. Why wants to crash into me? out. Oh, I need more heels. Let's go. Oh, took the gnarly side. Let's go. Did a leg workout yesterday. Hey, they are hurting right now. Oh, lucky for that backyard. So we're going sideways there. Yeah.
So that is the Manding Powerline track. It is the easier portion of that track. It does go a lot further, does get a lot gnarlier, but with my battery and where I started, that's about as far as I can get today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.